artists, welcome to Neeru Arts 9 Art channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video of Fevicryl Lippan art DIY kit. So Lippan art is basically an folk art from Gujarat. This DIY kit of Fevicryl is of 699 rupees. You get it for 500 in Amazon. So let's see what are all given in this DIY kit. So firstly, 6 shades of acrylic colors and around 10 packets of mirrors, a number 4 round brush, acrylic block, two sets of molded, and OHP sheet, a Fevicryl fabric glue, a manual on how to do Lippan art, and finally 2 sets of pre-printed canvas boards. So I tried Lippan art on one of the MDF boards they have given. I'll share you the process video and also my experience with Lippan art so that you'll know what are the do's and don'ts of Lippan art. In this particular kit, they have given 10 packets of mirrors of different sizes. Just have a look at them. I have circular, leaf-shaped and diamond-shaped mirrors of 3 different sizes: small, big and medium. So this particular kit is really worth it because you're getting mirrors and also colors and pre-printed canvas boards. After completing my Lippan art, so this is how it turned out. I'll share you the process video in my coming videos. So hope you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.